Good afternoon friends, I'm Harshita and today I'm making my video with Personal Tutor. This is my first video with Personal Tutor. I'm starting with the subject economics and my first topic is money. Okay, for 12th class it is. What is money here? What do we talk about money? So money, matlab paisa. It refers to anything which is being used in our daily life. Whenever we go to market, we have to purchase goods. So at that time it requires money to buy the goods. If we go to a shopping mall, at that time we buy some clothes or buy some groceries. At that time also we need money. But if we talk about when money was not being developed, so what was that? So at that time when money was not being developed, we used barter system. What is this barter system if we talk about? So barter system refers to a system where one commodity is being exchanged with another. When money was not being developed, at that time people used to exchange goods from one to another. Like if I have wheat and the other one has rice, so at that time how will we exchange goods? I will take wheat from him and I will give him rice. So by this we used to exchange goods. Okay, so what can we say barter system? It is a C2C economy, we can say it. What do you mean by now barter system is C2C economy? Barter system is C2C economy. So why we say it's C2C? Because it is a commodity to commodity exchange. Okay, so when money was not being developed, so people do not have anything so that they can measure the value in money terms, as money was not being developed. So we used to use this barter system in which we used to exchange the goods and services. Like if I have rice, then I can give him wheat. Or simply another example we can take here as if I have clothes and the other one is in need of clothes, and if the other B has shoes, so at that time if I am in need of shoes, at that time we can exchange our goods and services. So in barter system we need to find the buyer and seller. So it was a kind of a great problem as well, because the buyer need to find the seller and seller need to find again the buyer. So it might be cleared what is barter system. So barter system is a system where one commodity is exchanged with another, and it is a C2C economy, which means that it is commodity to commodity exchange. Okay, it might be clear. So when barter system was being developed, it also had lack of double coincidence of want, which means that I made it clear that barter system is also known as C2C economy, which means that it is a commodity to commodity exchange. Okay, where one commodity is exchanged with another. Now, if we talk about what is lack of double coincidence of wants. Lack of double coincidence of want means that when one commodity exchange with another. So here, A need to find B, which means that here, the buyer need to find the seller and seller need to find the buyer. Look. Buyer need to find the seller. Need to okay, so here the buyer first need to find the seller and seller need to find the buyer, then only they can exchange the goods and services. So if there is exchange of goods and services between A and B, so how will they exchange? A should have what B needs. Okay, if a person is there is A and another person is B, so A should have a particular good. A should have that particular good which B needs, and B should have that particular good which A needs. Okay, so if A has shoes and B has clothes, okay, we can take a simple example here. So if A has shoes and B has clothes, so A can give, they both can exchange goods then only if A is in need of clothes and B is in need of shoes. Okay, so A will give him this and B will give him clothes. So A will give him shoes and B will give him clothes. It will a better example, okay, for it. Oh, and rice and wheat also you can take another example. You can take any of this example, there is no problem in it. Okay, if A has rice and B has wheat, okay, so if A has rice and B has wheat, so A will exchange goods then only if A needs wheat and B needs rice, then only they can exchange goods and services. And if B is in need of rice but A is not in need of wheat, so then they cannot exchange goods and services. So in barter system this problem occurs. Okay, so first we need to find the buyer and we need to find the seller as well. Then only the exchange of goods and services can be done. But if we talk about now, as now the money is being developed, this problem has been solved because money has made the purchase and sale activities independent. So we can easily do the trading activities. We can go to the shopkeeper and if you want to buy the goods, at that time we can pay him the amount and we can purchase the goods. And if you want to sold the goods, the shopkeeper sold the goods. Like the shopkeepers tell us to pay the money and in return he gives us the goods. So this problem has been solved of double coincidence of wants here. Okay, this might be clear to you. Now if I come to the second point, what is lack of measure of value? ठीक है, as money was not being developed, तो वो वैल्यू में मेजर कैसे करते होंगे? अब जैसे अब तो मनी है तो वी नो दैट कि मैगी का प्राइस कितना है 12 रुपीज. ओके, मैगी का प्राइस है 12 रुपीज, कोक की बॉटल का प्राइस है 12 रुपीज. ओके, क्लोथ इज ऑफ इफ यू गो टू मैक्स टू बाय अ jeans or anything, so at that time we know because the price tag is mentioned there कि this jeans is of 1200, the Levi's jeans is of 2000. So but when money was not being developed, so at that time how they might be measuring the value? Okay, so what did they do? At that time there was no common measure of value because they don't know how to measure the value in money terms. So there was no common denomination. Okay, so how did they do? Like if A has given them rice, if A has rice and B has wheat, and if A is in need of wheat and B is in need of rice, and they both want to exchange the goods among themselves, so how will they exchange? If A has 1 kg of rice and B has 800 grams of rice, so there was no perfect measurement of value. Okay, because they cannot determine it in money terms. So there was no perfect measure of value. If they exchange their goods and services, then also there was no common measure of value. So it might happen that one party has to lose or gain. Okay, it might happen that A has to lose because he will provide him only 800 grams of wheat, and rice, A will provide him 1 kg of rice. So 1 kg is equal to here 1000 grams. And he has only 800 grams. So it will be a lose for A. So in lack of measure of value, what happens? One party may lose or gain. Okay. So this is only the problem which occurs with lack of measure of value. That as there is no common measure to measure in it, so exchange rate has to be determined randomly. Okay, you can include one more point in it, so that as there is no specific exchange rate, like in India we measure it in Indian rupees, in USA we measure it in dollars, but here there is no common measure to measure it, so there is no common denomination. So the exchange rates has to be determined randomly. Has to be determined okay. So In barter system, I'm just giving a quite revision of these two topics first. What is a barter system if we talk about? Barter system is a system where one good is exchanged with another, which means that it is a commodity to commodity exchange. Okay, as money was not being developed at that time, people used to follow this barter system in which one commodity is being exchanged with another. Like rice, we can exchange rice with wheat, and wheat can be exchanged with rice. Okay, so what were the problems that occur in barter system with the people? There was a lack of double coincidence of want, which means that in double coincidence of want, what happens? The buyer need to find the seller, and seller again need to find the buyer. So it was a problem. Like first they have to find it, then only they can exchange goods and services. Okay, but as money was being developed, this problem was being solved, because now the buyer do not have to find the seller, and seller also do not have to find the buyer. Okay, now the second point was lack of measure of value. What was this lack of measure of value? In lack of measure of value, now what happened, that there was no common measure to measure it in money terms. There was no money at that time. So there was a problem. If a person has to exchange wheat and rice, so at that time it might happen that the person who is having wheat might have 1 kg of wheat, and the person who is holding rice might have 800 grams of rice. So it may happen one party has to lose it or gain it. So the person who is having one party A, that can gain or lose, or one party has to lose or gain. So it would be benefited to only one party here. It has been cleared. So but now as the money has been developed, this problem has been solved, because now we measure it in money terms. Okay, this might be cleared. Now to the third point if we come, lack of standard of deferred payment. Okay, lack of standard of deferred payment is related to providing short term credit needs to the people. Okay, जिसको हम कहते हैं हम उधारी पे पैसा देना. ठीक है, तो जब पैसा ही नहीं था तब हम उधारी पे पैसा कैसे देंगे? आया समझ? क्योंकि पहले काय में बात करते थे हम गुड्स में, बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू, वी आर रिलेटेड टू योर C2C economy. And what is C2C economy? Commodity to commodity exchange. Okay, this might be cleared, more cleared. Okay, I'm repeating it again and again so that it gets into your mind only directly. You don't have to study much. You need to only revise the topic once more. Okay, so if we come to lack of standard of deferred payment, so what is lack of standard of deferred payment? यहाँ पर हम पैसा उधारी पे तो नहीं दे सकते, बट हाँ हम लोग गुड्स को उधारी पे दे सकते हैं. तो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डिफर्ड में क्या करेंगे, हम गुड्स को क्रेडिट पे प्रोवाइड कर देते थे कि कभी भी किसी को पैसा, किसी को उधारी पे चाहिए, किसी को नीड है कुछ चीज़ की, तो हम लोग कैसे लेंड कैसे करते थे, गुड्स को लेंड कर देते थे कि तुम ये अपने पास रखो अभी जब तक तुम्हें नीड है. ठीक है, तो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डिफर्ड में क्या पेमेंट क्या होता था? It satisfied the short term credit of the people. Short term satisfies short term and long term credit needs for of the people. In terms of okay, so here we provided we used to satisfy the long term and short term credit needs of the people in terms of goods. So we provided goods, we lended goods to the people so that it will help the people to satisfy their needs, because we cannot lend money here, so we used to lend goods here. Okay, but ओके वंस आई हैव, मैंने उसको दे दिए गुड्स तो, बट मुझे वापस तो चाहिए रहेंगे उससे गुड्स, आई विल बी इन नीड ऑफ इट, राइट? सो अब जब रीपेमेंट होता है, मतलब जब उन्हें वापस मुझे वापस उनसे गुड्स अपने लेने हैं, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो नीड इट नो नाउ. सो जब मेच्योरिटी हो जाती है कि हाँ इतनी बात हुई थी कि मेरी 3 महीने तक आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू, सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन एट द टाइम ऑफ रीपेमेंट? है, अब रीपेमेंट करना है पैसा, तो हो सकता है द बोरोअर जिसने मुझसे गुड्स लिए थे, द बोरोअर मे नॉट बी एबल टू अरेंज द गुड्स ऑफ सेम क्वालिटी। मैंने उसको जो वीट लेंड किया था, उसने जब मुझसे बोरो करने आए थे तब मैंने उसे लेंड कर दिए थे गुड्स, ठीक है, मैंने बहुत सुपीरियर क्वालिटी के गुड्स दिए थे, लाइक इट इज ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी, सुपीरियर मीन्स गुड क्वालिटी, ओके, एंड इट इज ऑफ एक्सपेंसिव प्राइसेस, बट वो जब मुझे लौटाने आया तब उसने गुड्स मुझे अच्छी क्वालिटी के नहीं दिए। इट माइट हैपन, राइट? द बोरोअर fine, so it may happen that the borrower may not be able to arrange the goods of same quality, उस सेम क्वालिटी का गुड्स वो मुझे नहीं दे पाएगा, तो इसमें क्या हो सकता है, मेरा लॉस, क्योंकि आई प्रोवाइडेड हिम द गुड्स ऑफ सुपीरियर क्वालिटी एंड नाउ ही इज रिटर्निंग मी द गुड्स ऑफ इंफीरियर क्वालिटी, सो इट मे हैपन दैट मेरा किसका लॉस होगा यहाँ पर, मेरा, सो वन पार्टी में लूज और गेन, उसका बेनिफिट हो गया यहाँ पर। Did you get this point? Okay. Here it may happen that one party may lose or gain because मुझे लूज हुआ बट उसे गेन हुआ क्योंकि उसको सुपीरियर क्वालिटी के गुड्स दिए थे मैंने, बट उसने मुझे लॉट इन एक्सचेंज व्हाट ही गिव मी inferior क्वालिटी गुड्स। ओके, देन द थर्ड पॉइंट में भी दे मे बी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बिटवीन देम, ठीक है, दोनों पार्टीज के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स आ सकती है because I lended him the goods of superior quality and he in return gave me the goods of inferior quality, so there will be a conflict between us, yeah, so it may happen that there will be conflicts, there might be conflicts, okay, so it may, so if you talk about lack of standard or deferred payment, इसका मतलब होता है जब मनी डेवलप नहीं हुआ था तब हम बार्टर सिस्टम का यूज करते थे ताकि हम शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म क्रेडिट नीड्स लोगों की सेटिस्फाई कर पाएं। लोगों को पैसा उधारी पे नहीं दे सकते बट यस वी कैन लेंड गुड्स ऑन क्रेडिट, ओके, तो इससे क्या होगा, हमारी शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म नीड्स सेटिस्फाई होती है, बट जब हमारी लौटाने की बात आती है दैट नाउ वी नीड टू रीपे द मनी, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट मे हैपन दैट बोरोअर, हम लोग बोरोवर जो मैंने जिससे पैसे क्या किए थे, पैसे तो होते ही नहीं है, गुड्स जिसको मैंने गुड्स दिए थे वो मुझे वो गुड्स सेम क्वालिटी का वापस प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाए, ही गिव्ड मी inferior quality goods, okay, so at that time inferior quality means cheaper goods you can say as well, okay, and one party may lose or gain, okay, of gain, sorry I write one party may lose or gain, okay, it may happen one party gained and one party may lose, and there might be conflicts between us, there might be conflicts, okay, this is clear, okay, because it is also the important point here. So I made here the 3 points cleared of barter system. Now if I come up to the 4th point, we will come up here. Okay. Now I come up to the 4th point, which is lack of store of value. Now what is lack of store of value? Store मतलब तो हम समझते हैं, store क्या होता है, किसी चीज को स्टोर करके रखना, और वैल्यू, वैल्यू क्या होती है किसी चीज की, वैल्यू लाइक मनी की एक वैल्यू है, right, we all know that money has a very greater value in our life, okay, अब lack of store of value क्या है, जैसे जब पैसा नहीं था तब किसकी वैल्यू थी, can you tell me किसकी वैल्यू थी तब जब पैसा नहीं था, तब गुड्स की ज़्यादा वैल्यू थी, because in barter system it is a C2C economy, which means that it is a commodity to commodity exchange, okay, जब पैसा नहीं था तब किसकी वैल्यू थी, गुड्स की वैल्यू थी, तो गुड्स की वैल्यू कैसे थी, विल लर्न हियर, ओके, जब पैसा था ही नहीं तब लोग पैसे में कुछ चीज मेजर कर ही नहीं पाते थे, ठीक है, अब गुड्स को वो लोग स्टोर करते थे, ठीक है, दे यूज्ड टू स्टोर गुड्स, क्योंकि पैसे को हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज वेरी इजी टू स्टोर, कहीं पर भी, लाइक यू ऑल्सो नो दैट वी कीप आर मनी इन आर लॉकर्स और एट आर होम इन आर wallets and anything in our bank accounts we can keep, but पहले जब goods को store करना होता था, that storage of good requires more time as well as more space as well. ठीक है, मनी को मैं इतनी जगह में भी स्टोर कर सकती हूँ, बट गुड्स को मेरे को स्टोर करना है तो आई नीड अ वेयर हाउस फॉर दैट. ओके, that is a very common thing, you all know that. Okay, so but in case of lack of store of value, what happens? It requires more space and time. And storage of value. ठीक है, if I store the goods at that time, the goods also may get deteriorate. Okay, with the passage of time. ठीक है, कुछ समय बाद गुड्स खराब भी होते हैं. ठीक है, खराब होते हैं तो हमारा लॉस होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्मेल होती है गंदी, है ना. सो ये सब भी उसके एक ड्रॉबैक है गुड्स के. बट वहीं पर हम पैसे की बात करते हैं, पर पैसा तब डेवलप ही नहीं हुआ था. बट आज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, गुड्स को कभी स्टोर करते हैं क्या? नहीं. हमें कोई फ्यूचर नीड्स के लिए हम कभी गुड्स को स्टोर नहीं करते. ठीक है, हमें कोई ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मतलब मेरी कोई लाइफ में मेरे पास कोई इमरजेंसीज आएगी इन फ्यूचर तो आई विल स्टोर गुड्स फॉर दैट. नो, आई स्टोर मनी फॉर दैट. ओके, so storage of goods, the main drawback is also here is what? Storage of goods like fruits and vegetables, you can take example like fruits and vegetables, they get deteriorate with the passage of time. Okay, so it cannot be stored for a longer time. We cannot store the fruits and vegetables for a very longer time. Okay, so storage of goods like fruits and vegetables, they get deteriorate with the passage of time. समय के साथ साथ ये लोग खराब होने लगते हैं. तो हम लोग गुड्स को क्या, कोई फ्यूचर इमरजेंसीज मुझे लाइफ में आती है या फिर कुछ मिस हैपनिंग्स मेरे साथ लाइफ में होती है, तो कैन आई स्टोर गुड्स एंड यूज इट? नो, बट येस, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मनी तो आई कैन स्टोर इट एट अ प्लेस एंड इट इज़ वेरी इकोनॉमिकल टू स्टोर मनी. एंड ये जो गुड्स हैं इनको इकोनॉमिकल है? नो, storage of good is not economical. Okay, and they are not easily portable as well. ठीक है, बहुत समय लगता है, बहुत टाइम लगता है, हमें लेबर्स चाहिए, हमें वर्कर्स चाहिए जो गुड्स को उठाएंगी, उनको वेयर हाउस में रखेंगी, और बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस एज वेल. ये क्या है? बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, बहुत समय लगता है इसको करने में. सो इट इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. यू कैन add all these points in your exams as well. It will help you to gain good marks. It is very time consuming, right? And it is not easily portable. और एक और पॉइंट हम देखो, स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू में नॉर्मली मैं एक बार जाती है. स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू क्या है? हम गुड्स को ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए स्टोर नहीं कर सकते. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? मनी को फिर हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं, पर गुड्स को हम क्यों नहीं स्टोर कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि उसमें पहले तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है और बहुत स्पेस लगता है, बहुत सारी जगह चाहिए, हमें वेयर हाउस चाहिए. हम हमारे लॉकर्स वगैरह में जरा सी जगह में गुड्स को स्टोर नहीं कर सकते, ना ही हम हमारे घर में कर सकते हैं. Okay, because it smells as well and it needs open space as well. Okay, some goods like, ठीक है. उसके बाद बहुत सारा जगह चाहिए, बहुत सारा टाइम चाहिए. बट स्टोरेज ऑफ गुड्स लाइक फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, ये तो खराब हो जाते हैं थोड़े समय के लिए. यू नो दैट इफ यू डोंट कीप आवर वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स इन आवर फ्रिज, एट दैट टाइम दे विल गेट डेटेरोइड. ओके, तो वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स हैं, इनको हमें स्टोर हम ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए भी नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये समय के साथ खराब होने लगते हैं. एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ गुड इज़ नॉट इकोनॉमिकल. इतना ईजी नहीं है कि हम गुड्स को स्टोर करना, वहीं पर मनी को स्टोर करना बहुत ईजीली है. ओके, बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस है, बहुत समय लगता है, एकदम इजीली कुछ नहीं होता है कि लाइक हाँ चुटकी में हो गया, कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं होगा, ठीक है. इट इज़ नॉट ईजिली पोर्टेबल, बहुत ईजिली पोर्टेबल नहीं है कि हमने आज यहाँ पर करा कल यहाँ पर, मतलब बहुत जल्दी काम नहीं होता है कुछ भी, ठीक है. सो एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ वैल्यू एक और पॉइंट है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है. आई एम इरेजिंग इट. द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू विल बी ओके. सो इट मीन्स दैट गुड्स कभी भी हम लोग यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. कभी हमारे फ्यूचर कॉन्टीजेंसीज कुछ आ गई लाइफ में, कुछ इमरजेंसीज है, अर्जेंट इमरजेंसीज हैं, उस टाइम पर हमें गुड्स एकदम से यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. बट वहीं पर कभी हमारे पास पैसा पड़ा रहता है, तो कभी कुछ भी हो गया, लाइक इफ माई फादर इज एडमिटेड टू हॉस्पिटल और माई मदर इज, इफ एनी फैमिली इशूज हैव बीन देयर इन माई फैमिली, सो एट दैट टाइम आई कैन यूज दिस मनी. ओके. सो इट हेल्प अस. बट इन गुड्स एकदम से जाके मैं मार्केट में सेल करूंगी तो वो गुड्स एकदम सेल नहीं होगा, ठीक है. इट रिक्वायर्स अगेन टाइम, इट रिक्वायर्स, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ नॉट अ क्विक प्रोसेस, ठीक है. सो गुड्स कैन नॉट बी यूज बाय एन इंडिविजुअल इन फॉर एनी, सॉरी, इन नॉट for any future contingencies or urgent emergencies. Okay. So savings in terms of goods is not easy. You can say here, savings in terms of goods is not easy, as it requires more time and space. And it does not help us to transfer the purchasing power from present to future as well, ठीक है. मनी होता है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो हमारी परचेसिंग पावर को हेल्प करता है कि हाँ आज हमने जो पैसा सेव करा वो इन फ्यूचर हम कल यूज कर सकते हैं. बट इन स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ गुड्स डज नॉट हेल्प अस. ओके. सो टुडे आई जस्ट टुक अ टॉपिक ऑफ चैप्टर मनी of macroeconomics, which is barter system, and I explained lack of double coincidence of font, okay, lack of measure of value, lack of standard of deferred payment, and lack of store of value. Okay, I think that it might be clear, and if you have any doubts related to it, yes, you are free to connect to me and you can check on the, you can carry any of your doubts on my comment box. Okay, hope you liked my first video, and thank you for like and share and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.